Hello, today we're just going into Crypto Pumper show, guys. So today I'm welcome you, all of you guys, Bella, June, Deeps, and other guys. I'm welcoming you on our almost daily Crypto Pumper show. So today we will speak a little bit about the latest crypto news, about the some DeFi stuff, just a little covering the coins, DeFi coins, which I've just bought to my crypto folio. And of course, guys, we will analyze some of the crypto and see what's happening here on the market. And today, actually, guys, a very important day for the, um, for some fundamentals. Yeah, so for some fundamental news, because the Federal Commission had the um, I would say meeting there. Yeah, so it just went out, I believe, a couple hours ago, 4 hours or so ago. And of course, we will see what's happening there. Actually, I haven't even checked the news about it because we have been preparing for the stream and everything, and we will see today. Till we are just gathering together today, I want to um, of course, I'm waiting for you, of course, on our YouTube channel where you can go and see all of our videos, and of course on our feed where you can find a lot of stuff about the current situation on the market, some guides and other stuff. So, what else here we will see, of course, the public and um, Um, actually, we need to say that Fed recap details from the Federal Reserve's July hike and Powell's market moving comments. So there were some, noteful stuff here. So we will try to get there briefly. Actually, I'm thinking that we will be waiting, I believe so. We are not waiting bull run here, yeah, so at least half a year, maybe even falling down. But actually, we have different opinions over there, and you can see that Bitcoin right now hasn't provided any distinctive moves, and actually everything crucial from yesterday hasn't happened. So we're just continue to forming our portfolio. So be calm, be ready to some movements. Look at the compound. Yesterday we've just take some compound stuff, and today it's a little bit bouncing. Yeah. But actually, the price of 71. Oh, very nice, very nice. So actually, we don't see that a lot of movements of the Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yeah, so my goal here, I'm just repeating it every day. So for newbies, guys who are just new on the channel, that our goal here is to provide you habit to invest in something periodically. So we are trying to do this every day. You can watch our folio. It's public, so you can get it and you can see that we're just every time we're in profits or we're on loss. I'm sorry, guys, but I don't care because we're waiting till the bull run. The bull run, we're expecting it throughout the uh, year, I believe. So something like this, and nevertheless, we're hoping that the market will be very bullish in some future. And describing the goals, I'm personally waiting the Bitcoin over 120,000 of dollars, and not because the dollar will fall down, but because the it will be the next bull run, yeah, about the Bitcoin. So um, you need to understand this. Okay, so moving next to the, and of course, welcoming the our today's partner is Now Wallet. So Now Wallet is custodian, a non-custodian wallet. So only you just possess the private keys, and you can use the multi-chain stuff here. So these guys helps us to and provide us liquidity. So guys, if you want to store somewhere on code like wallets or non-custodial wallets throughout the entire blockchains. So actually my advice, you can use the Now wallet, and actually you can make the your folio just fully diluted there. But actually I'm trying to diversify, so my advice of course is to diversify your places where you store crypto, ways you store crypto, and everything else. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. So what's about the details from the Federal Reserve? So the Federal Reserve's um, hiked interest rates by a point, a move that's widely expected by the market. This brings the benchmark borrowing rate at range 5 to 5.5%, and the Powell stressed that the central bank is seeking proof that inflation is durably down, and noted that policymakers will take a meeting by meeting approach toward actually new rates. And he said that the new rates will be just setting up in September, but in September there is no actually um, there will be no hikes and everything. Yeah. So here is the short brief here. So let's go, I suppose, from the end. Yeah. So because it was like a report and something. So don't expect the Fed to cut rates until labor market softens. The Federal Reserve will likely need to see more softening in the labor market before it begins to trim rates. So I believe it's positive news, because everybody is waiting till the rates will be trimmed, but actually it will not be very effective in terms of the overall macro situation in the country and in the global financial system, of course. So, however, the Fed still has two more payrolls reports and PCA reports before its September meeting. Actually, as far as I remember, there will be no September meeting, which may show sufficient cooling that the central bank could take a step back from further hikes, Lynn said. So, okay. While you might not be able to achieve perfection, you'd rather risk burning the chicken a bit than winding up sick. Okay, so that's nice. What else notable here? So where markets stand before the Fed's decision. So stocks are down as the Federal Reserve's announcement approaches. Uh, Here's where the markets stand of about 1:45 p.m. So S&P 500 is down, Nasdaq is off, the Dow Jones slipped into negative territory, dropping 50 points, and the 2-year Treasury yielded 4.89, while 10-year Treasury yield inched down to 3.89. So actually, if you think that these percentages is very low, actually for the you know big stocks, actually it's a big numbers. Yeah. So it's not crypto, they're not so volatile. Okay. So what else interesting here? It was July rate hike done. Questions remain on whether is the last increase, says Goldman Sachs. So um, actually, investors were surprised by this move, and um, Gurpreet Grill said that paradoxically, today's Fed meeting was one of the most sudden and uncertain of the cycle. So he said that nothing that this rate hike was fully priced in and widely expected. We think recent data is consistent with the US policy rate, peaking in July as core CPI inflation slowed sharply in June. But any renewed signs of inflation strength indicate data like the employment cost index released on Friday and upcoming PCA inflation release still have potential to extend the hiking path. Actually, guys, I'm thinking that they need some renewals of the economical stuff because we are at the door of the big inflation here. I don't believe that they somehow struggles against it. So okay, um, what about the monetary policy? Will likely need to be more restrictive for longer. Yeah. So Jerome Powell said that current economic conditions show the monetary policy will likely need to be more restrictive for longer. I would say that our eyes are telling us that policy has not been restrictive enough for long enough to have its full desired effects. Okay. Okay. What will be just doing in? I don't know. I don't know. Hello, Mahmoud. Hello, ex Hansa. So what we need to understand this. So I believe that this is very conservative, and you will not be. I'm not expecting anything here. So that's why we're just you know continue to make some trades and so on. And today, just guys, I want to point to you that we've just invested in some crypto within the DeFi stuff. Yeah, so it was Compound, it was Aave, it was Uniswap, and some dexes, other dexes like 1inch. um the YDWix, I don't remember. We haven't bought it because the price was a little bit higher than we expected. And today I was thinking about to buy some of Sun tokens because actually, this is the largest DEX on the Tron, yeah. So, and actually, we can understand that it's one of the only one, yeah, there. So actually, and it's built it in Tron Wallet and other stuff. So actually, why not to buy this? Yeah. So the price is pretty much low, and we can buy, for example, on $10 some of the Sun tokens. And I'm just want to do this really quick today. Um, so the Sun.io platform is Tron's first one-stop platform that supports stablecoin swap, token minting, self-governance. After the redenomination, the new Sun token as multifunctional governance token on the Sun platform. Similar to CRV token and CurveDAO, EPS at Ellipsis will grant token holders various rights and benefits such as the voting governance and other stuff. Yeah. So why not? Why not? Why not we can buy it? I believe that for the diversification stuff, we will be, uh, taken out here. So, and I believe so. But I do not believe that the next bull run will be, very happy on this coin. So we're just taking it just to diversify our portfolio, and I'm not expecting some of these, super crucial stuff here. Maybe it will just go for the 1 cent, for example. So it will be fine even there it will be fine, and on the bull run I can believe that it can even reach this pattern, so with 2.5 cents. Yeah. So let's try to find it in the wallet. Okay, what do we have here? Say so we have some USDTs. So within the Tron, blockchain. So I believe we can buy something like on $10. Yep. So let's do this. Okay, I will add two more. Yeah, I believe. Okay, exchange. So pay attention on the all different, commission rates and gas fees and other stuff. So what's interesting here? So Brett Sherman on Bitcoin. I don't believe that Satoshi Nakamoto was innovative. Yeah. So okay. Um, he just wait until the Bitcoin will be falling down, and I believe that so this is big struggle right now in the US about so on the before the elections, president elections. So the two parties actually are struggling. So the Bitcoin believers and Bitcoin haters, it's okay. So the next one I want to share you guys, of course, with the Matic, yeah, Matic is ecosystem. Hello, guys. Hello again. I just want to take you in positive vibes and waves. So, the government of Mongolia has explored the integration of blockchain technology. Okay, and actually, uh, there is actually more government stuff here within the blockchain, within the Polygon, within other stuff. So, actually, I believe that uh, this will be so they're just making great efforts to make the really mass adoption of the Polygon, of the Matic, and of the blockchain. So I believe that will be just a huge potential right now here. Yeah. So, but if we're just going for the for my Polygon folio, yeah. So the first trade is still so actually is still under 36%, and I believe the last let's go here. So some of the Polygon stuff is right now bouncing up, yeah. So because we bought it on 63, and even a little bit higher. So it's okay right now. So we've just got the current position, and I'm not going to buy more until we've got more, Ethereum and BTC here, yeah, because Matic is 7%, so it's incredibly, high amount right now. But I'm just, feeding you with the news about the about the Matic. Okay. One of the interesting tweets, I've just scrolled it. So the most richest people in crypto. So of course the first one is CZ. So 10 billions. Brian Armstrong, Coinbase, 4 billions. Uh, Chris Larson, Ripple, 26 billion. Jed McCaleb, Ripple and Stellar, 2.4 billions. Alchemy, 1.8 billions. Another one, co-founder of Alchemy, uh, Nickel Viswanathan, and Winklevoss brothers. Yeah, so the brothers, and that's it. Yeah, guys, and you can see that um, who is on the first place. Of course, the people who just providing the ecosystems, who providing the finance, decentralized finance, centralized finance in crypto, and other stuff. So, guys, that's the moves we're just approaching in crypto. Yeah, so there is no memcoin, memcoin guys here. Yeah, so there is no for example, metaverse owners, yeah, so and other stuff, NFTs, and many other stuff, because they're like traditional finance right now. So traditional cryptians. So that's why we're forming folio, not so risky. So with not so highly volatile crypto, but we have some stuff here. So we have around more than 5% of 20 to 50% volatility. So that's okay, guys, and that's okay, and we can do anything here. Yeah. So what about the Ethereum? Maybe we will buy Ethereum today, or I don't know. Maybe that. What do you think? Okay, we've got some uh, Sun. So we've got this price from the coin market cap. Adding Sun, the Sun token, new one. So here is the buying price, 0.86545759 at full, right? Almost $10. Um, what we're going to do right now again? I'm thinking of the, okay, we've got the richest guys here, but I don't remember. Do we have some stuff from the alchemy actually? Let's see. Alchemy Pay and Alchemy. Uh, no, I don't know. All time is is pretty much low, yeah. Um, Market cap is something strange. Alchemy Pay, maybe, yeah. Okay. Yeah, Alchemy Pay. I believe that we can take it, yeah. But so 100 is Singapore, Alchemy Pay. Seamless funds between fiat, crypto connecting launch number, and so on and so on. So actually very interesting to see Alchemy Pay here. Maybe we should buy some because we can see that the price is just lower than the listing price. Of course, it can go even deeper from here, but actually, what was the high? Zero. Okay, so 13 cents, yeah, 30 cents. More than, so something around 10, yeah, 10x, so potential, 10x potential. Maybe, maybe we should buy them, yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Do we have some? Okay, okay, let's do this. Why not? So today is a little bit, you know, okay, minimum, okay, let's go for the 15. Okay, let's do this. What do you think about the current crypto market, guys? So I believe that we have some time to investing, so and to get our, you know, positioning. Um, What else? Singapore High Court declares crypto as property in case involving Bybit. The ruling had that a crypto asset is a thing in action, enforceable via court orders. So, Singaporean's High Court has recognized crypto as a property capable of being held on trust in case of solving involving Seychelles-based exchange by bit and contractor, according to the court judgment published on Tuesday. So, Bybit brought a case against Hokai Xin, claiming that in breach of her employment contract, she abused her position to transfer over 402 million USDT to addresses owned by controlled by her. Ho also transferred a quantity of fiat currency to her own bank account. Interesting. Yeah, this is I like this case actually. So like any other thing in action, USDT is capable of being held on trust. Judge Philip Yeretam, who presided over the case, said the judge's ruling also referred to a public consultation response published by the Monetary Authority of Singapore on 30th of July, which reflects the reality that it's possible in practice to identify and segregate digital assets, supporting the view that they just can be held on trust. So the judge added that the holder of crypto asset has an in-principle and incorporeal right of property recognizable by the common law as a thing in action and so enforceable in court. He acknowledged that his conclusion might have an element of circularity about it. It is not strictly different from now. The law approaches other social constructs such as money. So, so actually, we need some, differentiations and definitions for crypto because, especially when we are going to the card, and especially if there's some fraud happens, and especially if there are some, damage dealt by people to people, or by organization by people. So, every time you're just suffering, of course, the crypto should be, counted as real money, or just real good. For example, if it's tokens, so it's only people generally accept the exchange value of shells and birds or differently printed paper notes that they become currency. Well, some people are skeptical of the value of crypto assets. It's worth keeping in mind that the value is not inherent in the object. The exchange saw the declaration that Ho was holding both the USDT and fiat currency on trust of Bybit. Ho blamed her cousin Jason Teo for stealing the assets from Bybit without her knowledge, claiming that only he owned and controlled those addresses. So the judge accepted on the balance of property that Jason doesn't exist, or at any rate didn't play the role accepted by Ms. Ho. So he ordered that Ho transfer assets back to Bybit. So it's very, very interesting. Yeah. So we're waiting the comments of Bybit, but I believe that they will be, happy, happy to see their money just coming back here. Yeah, today. Okay. I believe that's we've done all of our trades and everything here today. What do you think, guys? Maybe maybe we need to unleash something. So share in comments. But I believe so today is a little bit shorter stream than usual because we are preparing for some, big announcements here. And check out our Twitter tomorrow. I will show you some interesting news about the Fridays. So wait for it and see you tomorrow, and see you in Twitter, and of course in our socials, other socials, and of course on our YouTube channel. So guys, have nice to see you guys, and love you all, guys. Bye bye.